Hi everyone, and welcome to the second episode of Zanzibar. Today we're going to be driving to our tour guide Yaya's house for a Swahili cooking lesson. So if you're excited for this video, make sure to give it a like and let's get cooking. So now we have arrived at Yaya and his family's house. All of his family lives together in the same house, including his wife and his newborn baby. But before we start cooking the lunch we're going to eat today, my mom and I have to get on some traditional clothing that the women here wear.
We're ready to cook now.
First dish, vegetable and octopus curry with rice. Step 1, shred coconut.
This one is not.
Yeah?
This one is. Yes, you do better. So this one is not gift of marriage. This one, the woman and.
Look at all that. Look at all that.
Yeah.
It's very
You make
okay,
your
which way?
hand around me.
And don't make.
Round.
Round and
Like
down.
Don't. By two
Use
hands.
your two hands.
So you can,
Like just.
it's better for you if you sit the other
you just
way.
put this and then put like this.
Oh, up and down?
Yes.
Yeah, I
You
think
see?
up and down.
Yes.
You're like, you have to try it.
I'm very good at everything.
Yes. Until now, you are the number one. You do better.
Step 2, cut the vegetables to add to the curry. The assorted vegetables we need to cut for the curry are tomato, carrot, green pepper, red onion, and potato. Now we have finished cutting the vegetables and they are simmering in a pot ready to add to the curry. Step 3, boil the octopus to put in the curry. Now we have our finished product of vegetable and octopus curry. To actually make the curry, we added water, coconut milk, and turmeric together. Second dish, kingfish mixed with cumin, ginger, and garlic. First and last step, fry the fish. Third dish, rice. First step, mix the rice with coconut milk and salt. Step 2, cook the rice over hot coals. Now more coals are being put on the lid of the rice, and this is gonna make a brown crusty part on top, which you'll see in a second. Now this third step is an optional step. Not everyone likes eating the brown crusty part on top of the rice, but some do, so you can choose if you want to take it off or leave it on and eat it like that. Now our rice is all ready to eat, and we're gonna move on to the next dish. Fourth dish, plantains. Step 1, slice plantain into halves. Remove seeds from center, take the peels off.
Let them come to be enthusiastic to have.
The bananas have now been cooked and soaked in cardamom and coconut milk. Fifth and last dish, samosas. Step 1, use rolling pin to roll the dough flat, then press in pastry roller.
So first, you sina maji tunachanganya. So you mix it with the water and salt like this to get rolling like this. Okay.
Now we have finished rolling the dough flat and pressing it in the pastry roller, and it's time to actually make our samosas. In this pot, boiling is actually the mixture of oil we need to cook the samosas. Step 2, add the veggie mixture onto the dough and roll into samosa form. So you can see here that Munira is putting the mixture of veggies onto the dough, and she's rolling it up in kind of like a triangular shape, and that is the shape of a samosa. So when we cook it, it will be nice and crispy around the edges. She cuts it at the end because she's going to put some water on the piece of dough and then stick it on samosa so that it stays stuck on with the water, and that is what she's doing. And she's just kind of shaping it a little. She's going to put it on our plate of samosas. We now have 2 finished samosas. Now we're going to attempt to make samosas ourselves.
It's enough.
Good? Good.
How do I start it off?
So, yes.
It looks so easy. Wow, Jack. That's gonna taste the best.
And then you have to turn it.
You know what? Oh, you ate.
No, I'm not doing it the
You know what you do? You start this,
yeah.
like this.
Yes.
You put it. You come on other side.
Yes.
This.
Triangle.
Yes, triangle. Yes.
We have finished making our samosas now. It was kind of hard to make the triangle shape at first because we've obviously never made samosas before. But this is the last dish that we have to make, and then we're gonna have our lunch. So we have our food all cooked up and we're ready to eat lunch.
Tell us where to sit and what to do.
As you see, with the octopus, with the vegetable. This one is a coconut milk rice. This one is ripe banana cooked rice. Okay. This one's vegetable samosa. It's nice. See? And this one is normal fried fish.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and hit that bell so that you can watch our videos right when we post them. And we'll see you next time on the Road with LJ.